How to cancel Mint Premium subscription. First of all, open your browser and go to the Mint website. Then log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, click on Settings from the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Subscription or Premium Subscription. Click on the subscription details to view your current plan and billing information. You should see an option to cancel or turn off auto renewal. Click on Cancel Subscription. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel. Confirm your decision by clicking Yes or Confirm. Make sure to read any information about what happens after cancellation. Once cancelled, you will receive an email confirmation about your subscription cancellation, so check your inbox to verify. If you don't see the cancellation option or face any issues, you can contact Mint's customer support for assistance via their help center or support email. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel Mint Premium subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.